Hey curl friends, I'm the inventor of the heatless curling headband, and unique to our design is a integrated wire. As you can see here, it is really awesome and phenomenal, but one reason in particular is because it gives you total curl shape control. What do I mean by that? Once you're done wrapping, you can simply twist to tighten and create more classic, tight curls. Now, if you want more loose, voluminous, soft, beachy waves, then just twist the other way, and your curls are gonna set that way. If you're going out and about, you can always just use that integrated wire to twist it into a cute updo, like that. But if you're sleeping, you don't have to sleep with it that way. You can position it however you like. So it is really comfortable for sleep. It's not gonna unravel or anything. It's not gonna slide off, you're good to go. So our integrated wire is awesome, fully patented design, and amazing. Hope this tip is helpful. Happy curling.